Getting your first credit card in America is risky. Choose the wrong one, you get rejected. Get rejected, your credit score drops before you even start. And most beginners don't realize banks are not rejecting them because they're broke. They're rejecting them because they applied for the wrong type of card. In this video, I'll show you the safest credit cards beginners actually get approved for in the US, and which ones you should never apply for first. First, understand this. When you have little or no credit history, banks don't trust your income. They trust your risk level. So your goal is not rewards yet. Your goal is approval plus building history. Let's start with the safest option. The easiest beginner cards are secured credit cards. You put down a refundable deposit, usually a couple $100s, and that becomes your limit. Why banks love this? Zero risk. Why you should love this? Almost guaranteed approval and fast credit score growth. This is the fastest way to enter the US credit system. Now, the second type, starter unsecured cards. These are designed specifically for people new to credit. No deposit required, but limits are smaller, and approval depends on having stable income and no recent rejections. This is the next step after secured cards, or if you already have a bank relationship. Then we have student credit cards. Applying too high too early is the biggest reason people drop their score and lose approval chances for months. And that leads to the biggest mistake. People apply for 3 or 4 cards at once, hoping one sticks. Finally, what beginners should not apply for. Do not apply for premium rewards cards, travel cards, or high cash back cards first. Even if your income is good, no history equals high risk to banks. One rejection can drop your score before it even begins, and multiple applications can delay approval for months. Here's the correct strategy. No credit equals secured card. Some history equals starter unsecured card. Student equals student card. Build 3 to 6 months of on-time payments, and suddenly you qualify for real reward cards. I've placed beginner-friendly options in the description so you can compare approval chances before applying. And next, watch my video on the biggest mistakes that destroy new credit scores, because most beginners damage their score in the first 30 days without